Isa sa mga bagito ang F2 Logistics, pero dahil sa mahusay na pagtitimon ng kanilang kapitan na si Miss Everything, para hindi sila baguhan dahil magandang resulta. Sa kabila naman, Colleen Bravo, medyo kinakailangan ng tulong ng kanilang kapitan. F2 Logistics Cargo Movers versus San Jose Builders Incorporated. Ang mga humahanga po sa volleyball sa buong kapuluan, magandang gabi po sa inyo at welcome po sa inyong PLDT Ultera PSL Invitational 2016. Chiki Reyes po kasama si Chiki Pablo at kami inyong napapanood ng live sa Aksyon na TV. Ang mga bida natin para po sa ating invitational ng PSL, it's Gendrauli, Cruz, Maranyo, Mabayad, Sabete, Serafica, and Cortel as the libero para po sa Cargo Movers. Sa kabila naman, Versosa, Imbo, Bravo, Clemente, Suyat, Gual, and Vima Condada as the libero para po naman sa New San Jose Builders Victorias. It's a lot of new things here in the PSL. Bago ang mga teams, bago ang uniforme namin, bago ang uniforme pati ng mga referee.
Yes, at ang ganda-ganda, di ba? So, pagaling ng pagaling ang nangyayari dito sa PSL.
Huwag lang tayong didikit sa court. Dahil
medyo kulay.
Hindi tayo makikita. But I love the summer colors of our Philippine Superliga Invitational, your
It's
PLDT
so cool.
Home Ultera. Yes.
Cool to the eyes.
Kailangan maternuan to ng magandang sneakers.
Correct.
Next game, ha? Okay. Ito na po. Magandang gabi muli sa inyo lahat. It's the Chickies para po sa inyong bosses for PSL. Mamaya isasama namin si Apple David. Pakasipag, dalawang laro na yan. Ito na. Unang subok. F2 Logistics will try. Soft touch there. And Gendrauli, she is maturing in her game. It's not all about power. Sometimes it's looking for that open space.
You know, that off-speed of Gendrauli was really slow. So, kailangan bilisan ang movement ng Victorias because they could have had that ball.
Sa sobrang bagal, parang nahili yung Victoria sa kabila. Here we go. Yellow shirts. Yan po ang F2 Logistics and they'll score their second point of a deflection.
Again, that's from Gendrauli. You know, if you remember, in the first time they met, yung first set, very close, 25-23, if I'm not mistaken. So ngayon, ang kailangan gawin ng Victorias, bilisan nila yung pace.
Alam mo itong Victorias, they showed in that first meeting noong February 18 that they could compete.
Yes.
Yun nga lang dahil mga bagito, nawala yung focus, lalo na pagdating ng third set.
Yes. Nag-start yun sa second set eh. Na-realize silang natalo sila dun sa first set. When they entered the second set, the energy level was down. And when they picked it up, finally, it was too late.
Ito, a good strong start here by F2 Logistics. You see Vima Condada, yung pagiging veterano, directing everyone to be on the same page.
That's right. Kanina yung putos niyan galing kay Cha Cruz, who is Miss Everything. She does a good blocking, good takes, and kanina nakita natin, excellent attack.
Now, if you're from New San Jose Builders, yung error ni Serafica sa serve, maganda yan. Bibit-bitin mo yan as your starting point to make your own points, hindi points of errors.
Right.
3-1 ang ating score. Make that 3-2.
You know, Colleen Bravo has a really strong arm when it comes to service. In their past games, she garnered a lot of points just from the service zone.
And it's nice to see that Colleen Bravo is the captain. Isa siya sa mga sasandalan ng New San Jose Builders.
Yeah.
Time for her to shine. However, that was a service error.
So she takes a breather.
I love the expression.
Oh, felt really bad, you know.
4-2 ang ating score. Abby Maranyo, maraming fans talaga ito. Hanggang dito, really following her career. Good serve by Abby. It's a misreception by Condada.
You know, you have to know your opponent. Kung batong si Abby Maranyo, malakas ang service niyan eh. So, if you're on the receiving end, i-underhand mo yung pag-receive ng bola niya.
Para mas may control.
Para mas may control.
Abby, ito naman, service error. Malakas yung pagkakapalo ni Abby. So, that's a free point for New San Jose.
Yes, good eye from Suyat. She didn't even exert any effort.
Cindy serving. It's 3 serving 5. Off the deflection once more. Hindi makakontrol ni Malu yung pagkakapalo.
Kailangan mas mabilis ang pagbasa ni Clemente ng bola ng F2 Logistics para matimingan niya yung blocks niya.
Kung titignan mo yung hulma ni Clemente tsaka ni Mabayad, halos pareho. That's an ace for the captain.
Ito rin, Shaq Cruz has a strong arm. Also, a lot of times she gains points for her team from the service zone.
7-3 ang ating score. It's the captain again. They're up by 4. Victorious through Suyat. Good hit. Pero maganda depensa ng F2 Logistics. It's going to be a free ball. New San Jose, another chance. Balik dito sa Cargo Movers at the net. Tuloy pa rin ang aksyon. 7-3 pa rin ang ating score from the back. Gendrauli will set. Great net defense. Oh, naghulaan sila doon but the ball is still alive. Yellow shirts, Gendrauli, soft one. It's a long rally here. And off the deflection, that's a point para sa F2 Logistics. 8-3 is our score as we go to the first technical timeout ng set number 1.
Ito si Colleen Bravo, hindi daw siya sanay na wala pa silang panalo sa liga nilalaroan nila. Ibang-iba daw to sa tinatakbo ng team nila sa Perpetual na merong rich winning tradition. Pero bago pa lang daw magsimula itong conference na to, sinabi na ng coach nila na hindi kayo ang veterano dito. Kumbaga wala sa iyo ang upper hand. So tulad na lang ng ginagawa nila sa school, kailangan nilang mag-aral na mag-aral na mag-aral. Aralin daw nila yung style and level of play dito. Aralin nila yung laro nila, sila and aralin yung laro ng kalaban. And then gain as much experience para lalo sila maging magaling as a player. Yes, they're after the exposure and experience. Pero sabi nga ni Colleen, maganda rin naman kung makapanalo sila. So one set at a time, Chiki.
Ganda ng report. Salamat, Apo lang. Ganda ng analogy, ano? Parang school.
Yes.
Keep on learning.
That's right.
But, sabi ni Colleen, oo nga, natututo kami. But it won't hurt if we get a couple of wins.
And you know, pwedeng mangyari yun kasi nanalo naman sila ng isang set,
Yes.
diba, in the first round. So, if they just communicate inside the court, bilisan ng galaw, and say mine, ayan, o kita mo yan, that was a good first ball, a good setup, and Clemente was there for that kill.
Good hit coming from Malu. Kasi naiiwanan na sila dito. Now they're down by 5. Versosa will be serving. It's 4 serving 9. It's a good serve. Nope. Kala ko aabot sa loob, ano, sa zone 6, but it went out.
You know, that has been the problem of the Victorias, yung services nila. In their past games, that's also what killed them. There were too many service errors. They have to be able to control.
At hindi tulad sa ibang sport, ano, minsan ang error mo, it won't automatically translate to a point ng kalaban. Pero dito, every error is a point of the other side.
That's right.
Score po natin is 11-4. Pabor po sa F2 Logistics. Gendrauli pa rin ang magsaserve. It's 11 serving 4. Set number 1 po ito. Again, sabi mo, pag may power ang serve, do the underhand.
Right.
And that's a second error coming from Vima.
And if you're at the back line and near the end line, if the ball is flying towards you and it's shoulders up ang height ng bola, outside na yon, pabayaan nyo ng lumipat.
Mataas ang probability na lalampas yun, ano?
Yes.
Okay. Kakapaan dito ang Victorias on their offense. Sa kabila naman, pulido ang execution ng Cargo Movers. 12-4 is our score. Free ball. That's another good set coming from the F2 Logistics.
Alam mo, pag tinignan mo yung laro na yun ni Lilet, tingnan mo, kaya siya tumatawa. Kasi halos hindi niya naabot yung bola. But because of her veteran move, it earned the point pa para sa kanila.
Parang nag-hang time ng konti, ano? Pero naabot ng mga daliri.
Tsaka ang tikas ng daliri niya because tips of her fingers lang yung tumama dun sa bola, na-direct pa rin niya sa zone 6.
Wala namang muscle ang mga daliri.
Ewan ko, yung akin, mataba daliri ko eh.
Hindi ako nagsabi niyan, ikaw. 13-4 is our score. This is the biggest lead already of the Cargo Movers at 9. Now, I'm sensing, Chiki, dito sa kabila, sa Victorias, they're trying to find their form on offense. Panaka-naka yung magagandang ipinapakita nila tulad ng hit ni Clemente.
If they have a good first ball, kailangan talaga play to the middle.
And this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. But the Victorias are not yet happy with the score. They're still down. Uy, miss comb there. Chance for Victorias to score. Of course, punta kay El Capitan.
Kita mo, basta maganda yung first ball nila, ang play nila middle. Bakit middle? Kasi it's the fastest play. Chances are the defense of your opponent hindi prepared.
And you have to take advantage of people like Malu
Yes.
and Colleen.
And Colleen, they're tall.
13-6. Abby from the back. Uy! Ganda naman ng pagkakabasa. One more time. Yellow shirts. Power hit. It's out. That's a miss hit there coming from Sabete.
They were asking for a touch there, pero medyo mataas yung bola niya eh. So, it really flew out.
So, 3 straight points coming from New San Jose.
That's a good serve.
Cargo Movers scoring again off a deflection, and that will go to Lilette.
There was a touch from the Victorias, kaya yung punto napunta sa Cargo Movers.
Kalahati. Yan ang abante dito ng F2 Logistics. 14-7. Great hit coming from Suyat.
Yan yung gusto nating makita. Combination plays. Tingnan mo, nagulat ang defense of the F2 Cargo Movers. Hindi nila inakalain na magkakaroon ng combination play.
So kailangan may variety.
Yes.
Because if you're serving, if you're showing the same attack each and every time, oh, it's going to be red. Oh, great pancake there coming from Abby. Chow sa the net. Nanaig ang Victorias. Oh, there's a net violation. Okay.
O, dun sa joust na yun, kung walang net, nanalo si Sabete dun eh. But, yun nga, there was a net infraction, so the point goes to the Victorias.
So ang New San Jose nakaka 5 straight points na coming from that 13-4 score. That was, I think, I was going out.
Yeah.
Binuhay pa rin ng F2 Logistics. Chance here for New San Jose to score. No, I stand corrected. There was a gift for Abby.
O, kasi na-misreceive yun eh, ng Victorias. Kaya Abby took advantage of it.
Another look here. This ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Bilis, no?
Oo, fast talaga.
And Abby is very quick to take advantage of such gifts. Going down the line.
That's a good hit there kasi usually nagko-cross court lang sila yung mga palo nila, so a down the line hit won't hurt.
That point will go to Lara. And she'll be serving as well. 10 serving 15.
Good serve.
Yellow shirts will set up. The captain, oh, that's kind of low.
Yeah, and she was also far from the net, not really in her comfort zone.
Colleen Bravo with a smile there. Of course, egging the teammates to enjoy in spite of a 0-3 record.
Enjoy lang. Tingnan mo yung hinabol nilang puntos, napakalaki.
Free ball. Chance for Victorias to score on you. Muntik na makaisa doon ang New San Jose. They'll try again. That was low. Regalo. Ganda ng depensa ng F2 Logistics. The captain will score going cross court.
Nice angled hit there by Cha Cruz.
16-11, di ba ang abante ng F2 Logistics as we go to the second technical timeout of set number 1. 16-11. Mahabol dito ang New San Jose, partner.
Kanina, during the technical timeout, ang sabi ni Coach Ken, talking to Gayo, the libero, kailangan basahin niya yung hitting arm ng hitters ng opposing team, ito ng Cargo Movers, para alam niya kung saan siya pepwesto. Tapos dapat lumabas siya sa shadow ng 2 blockers. Ito namang sa Cargo Movers, ang sabi ni Coach Mai, ang bagal ng pace, bilisan natin.
Kailangan mas mabilis.
Oo, kailangan mas mabilis.
Binilisan ni Cha Cruz. Ang problema yung down the line outside.
Okay, may chance pa sila ulit bilisan ng pace.
16-12, F2 Logistics up by 4.
Gaya nun.
Good effort coming from Lara, but hindi nagbunga yan. So that's the 17th point of the Cargo Movers.
Coverage has to be assertive for the Victorias.
Abby Maranyo. Wala pang beast mode. Ay nakikita dito kay Abby. Quick one. Zone 1 was open for Malu and she took advantage of that.
Itong si Malu, hindi lang siya pumapalo-palo eh. Binabasa niya yung floor defense ng kalaban. Kaya nagdidirect niya yung bola kung saan niya nakikita yung mga butas.
13 serving 17 and that's an error coming from Cindy. So makakakuha ng 18th point ng F2 Logistics.
Yes. Kailangan talaga yung services ng Victorias, maremedyohan nila, adjust right away.
The captain will be serving for the Cargo Movers.
Good floater there.
Suyat. And there's a whistle by our second referee.
Net infraction there from Jandrauli.
So libreng puntos para sa New San Jose. Pero check. Okay, may 14 points sa New San Jose. But they're exchanging points here
They're exchanging points.
with F2 Logistics. So
Yes.
whatever math you use here, it's not in their favor.
Yes. It's not in their favor. But, you know, ito nga yung sinasabi ko, whenever they play a game, mas yung confidence nila, mas umaangat ng umaangat.
Yes.
So ngayon, naririnig natin sila, nag-uusap na sila sa court. And they seem to be having fun. Now, if they can just be consistent with their services, it will help them very much.
Cabriana will be serving. It's 15, serving 18. Jandrauli. To Jamela. Jamela, kabila naman yan. Yellow shirts. Down the line. That will be a point para sa F2 Logistics courtesy of Veronas.
You know, yung pagka-receive kasi doon ni Lara, hindi siya nakapwesto eh. Parang hinabol niya yung bola kaya nakapa-side yung kamay niya. And when you do a side receive, walang, walang control.
Parang emergency button na lang yun.
Oo.
19-15, 4-point lead for the Cargo Movers. Great defense there by Jandrauli. Abby to the back. And Gayo could not control the power behind the hit of Maranyo.
You know, that hit of Maranyo wasn't even that powerful. In fact, she just put it over and yet hindi nakuha ng Victorias because they weren't talking. Nag-agawan yung dalawang players sa likod.
20-15, New San Jose down by 5. Let's try to listen in kay Coach Ken Moleno.
Okay? Always, 2 hours, game, play, talk. Okay? Communicate, saya. 2 oras lang itong larong to. So, dapat hindi mo sasayangin. O, trabaho tayo, go.
2 oras lang itong laro to. Huwag niyo sayangin.
Correct.
Magtrabaho tayo.
Yes.
Totoo naman, sinabi ni Coach Ken.
Alam niya siguro, binase niya yan, in-average niya yung mga games nila eh. No?
Ah.
Kaya natansya niyang 2 oras yung laro. And, you know, pag 2 oras nga lang naman ang buhay mo sa court, eh gawin mo na lahat ng magagawa mo para to stay alive.
Now, 0-3 ang New San Jose.
Yes.
Napag-usapan natin to.
Yes.
Yung 3 talo nila, yung isa doon against Photon, they were able to steal a set.
Yes.
So they can compete.
They can compete. The problem is they stop communicating.
Yun.
So kailangan talaga, yun yung sabi ni Coach Ken eh, communicate. That's
Yeah.
a good communication. Tinaas ni Lara kamay niya, indicating outside yung bola. Don't even try to get it. Good call from Lara.
And they need yung ganyang uri ng kumpiyansa.
Yes.
Pili mo mid-air yung bola and you're going to call it.
Yeah.
You need guts there.
Right. And you're supposed to read the ball before it goes over the net.
Aha.
So kailangan magaling ka magbasa.
And in time, pag nakasa na itong mga to, talking about Victorias, no? Ganitong mga basa will come second nature.
Oo.
Here we go. They're down by 4, talking about New San Jose Builders. Great setup there for Lilet.
Ang ganda naman ng palo ni Lilet. Napaka-powerful. But I have to say, Serafica really did a good job putting that ball up. Na eksaktong-eksaktong paboritong. Look at that. Perfect.
That was parang last-ditch effort ni Colleen to block it.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda pa rin. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Mabayad. Now we are seeing again sa Victorias, off position sila eh. Kaya hindi nila nare-receive ng tama yung bola. So, before the ball goes over the net, move back kung sa tingin nilang malakas yung bola.
Mabayad is having fun. Why not? She's scoring off the sets. She's scoring while she's serving. She's doing a little bit of everything.
That's right. But now, Coach Ken is not happy. He calls a timeout.
23-16. Lamang pa rin ang F2 Logistics. Pakinggan natin si Coach Ken.
Dito, Pirak. Naintindihan? Naintindihan ba? Dahil sa receive, pumunta sa kalaban. Dahil lang sa receive. Hindi dahil sa palo nila. Hindi dahil sa block nila. Dahil sa receive. So, kunin natin yung receive. Dahil pag umatakit tayo, nakakaputos tayo, di ba? So, saan ang weak natin? Receive. Tanggalin yung weak na yan. Sa receive, go!
Coach Ken is saying they're scoring off errors.
Right.
Natin.
Right. And I really like what Coach Ken did, call the timeout to destroy the momentum.
Pag-usapan natin si Miss Everything, si Cha Cruz. Napakaganda lang nilalaro niya. Mantakin mo 10 attacks, 3 blocks, 9 digs. Talaga nga namang Miss Everything. At ito, Miss Everything ng coverage natin. Apple David, anong meron mo dyan?
Sabi ni Chakro sa akin, new team, new everything. Perfect sa kanya. Miss everything nga, tulad ng sabi niyo. At isang welcome change to ito para sa kanya. And being the leader that she is, ang mas naiisip daw niyan, may mga bago siyang matutulungan. Pero personally, excited siya dahil first time sa kanyang career na maglalaro siya na hindi si Coach Ramil, ang kanyang head coach. Pero natuwa siya dahil para daw female version ni Coach Ramil, ito si Coach Mai. Similar sila ng principles and ng mga pep talk pagdating sa laro. So hindi daw siya masyado nahirapan mag-adjust. Balik sa inyo.
Ganda ng report, Apple. Chick,
Yes.
in your collegiate days when naglalaro ka, for how many coaches did you play for?
Oh, so yung Pinon, papalit-palit kami every year.
So, ang hirap.
Oo, mahirap mag-adjust.
So, bibihira yung ganito na yung kukunin mong, yung susunod mong coach. Katulad ni yung pinanggalingan ni Coach Mai. Sabi nga ni Apple, katulad daw ni Coach Ramil, the principles are the same.
Principles are the same, which is good kasi hindi mahihirapang mag-adjust.
24-17. Maaaring tapusin dito ng F2 Logistics pero sabi ng New San Jose Builders, teka lang, score muna kami. We'll cut the lead down to 6. 18 serving 24.
Service has to go in.
Pasok yan. Magkakataon ng F2 Logistics matapos ang set 1. Let's see if they'll close it out. Abby will do that.
That is a good cross-court hit. Abby always targets that area. Kaya kung sino yung katapat niya, kailangan tinatansya na niya yung angulo ng hit ni Abby Maranyo.
Abby Maranyo sealing the deal here in set number 1. 25-18 is our score. Set 2 when we return.